is Danielle, and I'm going to show you how to make mango salsa. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 mangoes, about a half a red onion, 2 ears of corn or can of corn if you're feeling lazy, red pepper, and some cilantro. First, you're going to want to shuck the corn and then boil it for 5 minutes. Next, stand your mango on end and slice lengthwise. It's better to use a serrated knife and just go slowly so you don't cut yourself. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Dice up the red onion. Make sure you wash your cilantro before cutting it up. First take out the seeds, then dice the red pepper. The corn should be done by now. To cool them down quickly, just put them in a bowl of cold water. Next, stand the corn on end and shave off the kernels. Beautiful. Squeeze in 3 lime wedges. Just a dash of salt, and it's ready to eat. Buen provecho.